Hello, good morning, all. As in the last class, we had explained about the pronouns. We have started that topic. Initially, had seen that there are 10 kinds of pronouns there, where we had started from the personal pronoun. The personal pronoun is the pronoun that is used for the persons. The pronoun that is used for the persons is called to be the personal pronoun. In that, we had seen person of pronouns. So there are three persons of pronoun. First person means the person that has a work as a speaker. Second person that works as an audience, and third person the topic, the person, the thing we talk about. So mostly the first person that is working, that has the work of a speaker. The second person work of an audience. After that, we have the next topic in personal pronoun. Case of personal pronoun. Case of pronouns or case of personal pronouns. We can say case of pronouns. And pronouns also we had seen the cases of nouns. In the nouns, there are four cases of nouns, but in the pronouns, we will see only three cases of pronouns. So we will have a chart, and it will be the most important chart for you also, because some topics are there like voice and narration. Here, mostly the problems are there as per the students that they can't be able to understand the voice and narration in a proper way. So if you don't have the case of pronouns in the proper way, it can never be able to understand the things in a proper way. Means it's very simple that to understand the voice and narration, you must have the pronouns. So in case of pronouns, we have these. This is the case of pronoun. Here we have the pronouns. We have the pronouns. And here we have the pronouns in nominative case. Here we have the pronouns in adjective case. And here we have the pronouns in possessive case. Possessive case. And in the possessive case, we will have two terms. So in the pronoun like I. So in the nominative case also it will be I. Adjective case it will be me. In possessive it will be my and mine. Okay. My and mine. Then after in pronoun we. In nominative case as usual we. In adjective case as. In possessive case our ugly hours. Our ugly hours. Okay. Then in pronoun you, in nominative case also you, in adjective case also you, in possessive case you and yours. Okay, you and yours. Then after in pronoun he, in nominative case also he, in adjective case in possessive case he, in both of the condition is. Then C, C, nominative case also C, adjective case her, possessive case her and hers. C. Then after it, as nominative it, as adjective it, as possessive it's. It's there also. It's in some books or some in some places we can see that this it has been removed. Okay, but no need to be confused. It and then after we have the next and that is the, in the pronoun the, in nominative case also they, in possessive case they, in adjective case they are and theirs, their and theirs. So these are the cases of pronouns that are important for us. These are the pronouns, personal pronouns. These are the pronouns working as a nominative, which means as a subject. These are the pronouns working as the adjective case, means as an object, and these are the pronouns working as two forms in possessive case. One form is there, that is from adjective. This form is from adjective. We will cover it there also. And only this form is pronoun. Okay. So these are the possessive pronouns. Only these are the possessive pronoun, not these one. These were the possessive adjectives. These are the possessive pronoun and these are the possessive adjectives. Since both are in the same form, so we have covered the grammatical centers. Cover these things at the sentences. So normally we can do these are the pronouns and these are the adjectives. Okay, and it has a great role in our grammar, mostly in the passive and narration. So I think we will have understood this thing. After that, we will go for the next topic, and the topic is reflexive pronoun. The next definition is reflexive pronoun. The pronoun that shows the result, the pronoun that shows the result of an action done by the subject, done by the subject on the subject, on the subject, on the subject, each card reflexive pronoun. Reflexive pronoun. In a science, a word is there, reflection. You will have the idea of the reflection. So from there, this word here, reflexive pronoun means the pronoun that will show that if the subject is doing any work, then the subject will be affected by the work. The subject will work and the subject will itself affected by the work. Okay, means the result of the action done by the subject will be reflected upon the subject. That is called to be the reflexive pronoun. Like if we talk, he hurt himself. He hurt himself means here the subject is he. He is working. What type of work? The work of hurting. He is doing the work of hurting. But to whom he is hurting? Himself. Means when the subject will be doing the work, the subject is being reflected itself. Again, you cheated yourself. You cheated yourself. Again, you have done the work. You have cheated, but yourself, not to others. Okay, not to others. You have cheated to yourself. Okay, so here you have cheated yourself. The work has been done of cheating, but not to others. Yourself. So here himself, yourself, the pronouns like which are called to be the reflection. So I hope you will have understood this. That's it for today. Thank you very much.